So today I want to do a review for the Robinhood IRA. Now I want to actually show you in real time the experience that I've had for using my retirement account here on Robinhood. So I'm going to actually show you my account. I'm going to just kind of break some things down as I go through and explain some of the features and benefits that I absolutely love and my experience with this over the last almost a year at this point. So you can see I currently have a traditional IRA here in my Robinhood account. Now, I do want to express that I do have Robinhood Gold, which is a paid feature, typically anywhere from $5 to $7 every single month, or you can do annual. And I'll explain why I have that and the reasons for it with some of the bonuses that you get for having this account. Now, here on this account as a whole, you can actually have a Roth or traditional. I currently have a traditional for mine, but you can actually have both on here. So if you had both, you can actually toggle between them. You can see I have $0 in that account. So for us here, the buying power is going to be very similar to a regular Robinhood investing account. I actually transferred over my retirement account from Vanguard over to Robinhood. One, because they had a really great deal, which I think is consistently going on. So if you are kind of considering that, there is some really nice benefits to that. And I'll have a video showing you how to actually transfer from another brokerage over to Robinhood at the end of this video. So you can actually see, the buying power over here. And then you can also see your contributions for the year. So if you didn't know, there's a max every year on how much you can actually put towards your retirement account. So as of this recording for 2024, that max was $7,000. And that's the max you could put in. Anything above that, you're going to get charged for or required to pull out. And you can see right over here, they actually do a match for you as well. Now, if you have just the free version of Robinhood, which I think is still pretty stellar, you get a 1% match, which is really cool. And then if you have the gold, you actually get a 3% match, which is that $210 for that $7,000. Now, here's one thing I really like to emphasize is that you can't put more than that max that you can put in every year. So anything addition on top of that is really great. So that $210 isn't in total of the 7,000, it's on top of that 7,000. So since it's not me putting that money in and it's Robinhood instead, that actually gets accumulated into my overall account. So I essentially can add more money in than I otherwise could in any other type of brokerage that doesn't offer this type of feature. Now, in case you didn't know, you can actually do options trading in Robinhood IRAs. So if you do like doing options trading, you can actually do that with your retirement account. You can also do your stocks and ETFs. So like right now we have a couple different stocks. We have a bond. We have some individual companies as well too. So we got like SoFi and Google. We got a Vanguard bond here, and then we have the Vanguard VOO fund as well. So you can go through and have different types of funds that you want and mix and match however you see best fit for yourself. Now, Robinhood makes this very easy for you. If you actually want to set up recurring deposits for your actual investment for your contributions, you can do that with your contribution settings. You could also have your contributions or your buying power buy into stocks or your ETFs on a regular basis. And of course, you can actually reinvest your dividends from those companies or ETFs back into the underlying securities that paid them, or you could have it go into your overall buying power, which then allows you to redistribute those dividends however you see fit. Now, if we keep scrolling down here, you can actually see this is where you can transfer in your retirement accounts from other places. You can consolidate any additional IRAs you might have from different places. And then of course you could set up your reoccurring deposits or investments as well. So you can actually have all those settings here in an easy place to find, but they also do have it in the settings menu as well. Now, like I mentioned, I actually transferred over my retirement account into Robinhood. So I actually want to show you how big of a bonus I essentially got for doing that transfer, where it was honestly worth my time and effort to go through this. So you could see when I ended up doing that transfer, I got a 3% match because again, I have that Robinhood Gold functionality. If you don't have the Robinhood Gold, I believe it's just a 1%, but that 3% ended up being a $3,000 additional bonus into my retirement account that I, again, otherwise could not put in. And I was able to invest that money. And I actually made a video talking about how just that $3,000 can equate to $50,000 by the time I am retiring. So it's a really big impact for me to have that kind of money put into my retirement account, again, that I otherwise couldn't have put in. So I absolutely love that Robinhood Gold transfer bonus because it allowed me to have that much extra on my overall transfer account. So a few other things when it comes to some of the features, you do also get instant deposit, again, very similar to the Robinhood traditional accounts that you can have. So you can have instant money going in, obviously up to your max contribution, but at least that money can be utilized right away to be investing. Now you can also be investing in the 24/5, which is the overnight stock market investing on Robinhood. You can actually also do that with your traditional account or your Roth. Now you can also do, again, like that reoccurring investments that we talked about, your dividend investing that we talked about. Now there is also stock lending available here as well. So this actually allows your shares to be borrowed, obviously with no risk to you. And then you also do get a little bit of residual income for that, which then allows you to reinvest again. So if you don't plan on doing any kind of movements or option trading, this can allow you to generate a little bit of extra income. Now, just in case you are curious about the transfer bonuses, this is, again, just kind of reiterating this, you actually do get that 3% on your contribution match for having Robinhood Gold. Otherwise, it's a 1%. And then for having Robinhood Gold, you do get 1% on your IRA or 401k transfers with no cap. Sometimes they do have a 3% transfer bonus, which is what I had when I was doing that transfer over. So you can keep a lookout for those things as well to see if that works out for you to be able to transfer from whatever brokerage you have now to going over to Robinhood. Now, there are, of course, some caveats when it comes to these bonuses as well. I believe for having the transfer bonus, either the 1% or up to the 3%, if they have that available for you at the time, it does require you to have the account with Robinhood for about 3 years, which I don't really plan on transferring out anyways. And then the contribution bonuses that you can get every single year, you do need to have Robinhood Gold for at least 1 full year for having that to stay in that bonus. So otherwise, nothing else too crazy when it comes to getting those free bonus money into your retirement account. Now, again, I personally love utilizing Robinhood on my retirement account versus what I had previously. So I'm really happy with it. Of course, if you want to check Robinhood out, I'll have a link for you in the show notes down below. That does help me out so I can make more free content just like this for you. And like I mentioned earlier, if you actually want to go ahead and learn how to transfer your brokerage from a previous broker over into Robinhood and get that really nice bonus, I'll have my video playing right over here for you so you can go ahead and check it out and get started with your transfer.